Hello there, it's Christian at Grantham's in Retford. So today I'm going to be showing you a 2023 Knaus Sudwind 580 QS. So we'll start off by having a look on the outside of the Caravan. Now, apologies for the muck at the front of the Caravan. This one has been lichened by the birds. As you can see, there's a big tree up above. But obviously all of our Caravans come fully valeted on the outside and inside before they are dispatched. Now, this one in particular is a 6-berth. It's got the double bunk to the rear. It's got a wraparound seating in the centre, sort of like a teardrop shaped seating area, and then it's got the fixed bed to the front of the Caravan. So it's an 8 foot wide. It has a separate shower, toilet and sink in this one. A few extras on this as well from standard. It's got the 2-lay Omnistore rollout awning, and it's also got the spare wheel and the Aldi wet central heating system. So at the front of the Caravan here, you're going to get everything you'd expect on a UK-built Caravan. You've got your Alco stabiliser, your 13-pin Continental socket. You've got a jockey wheel here, which does have a nose weight indicator on there, your handbrake, and a nice large gas locker, which opens up sort of like that. So it's more like a Lamborghini style. So the door opens upwards and not outwards. Large one-piece window there at the front. And then we'll come round to the offside of the Caravan. So that's door side. This is a German constructed van and the door is on the EU side. So you've got a service door just there that will take you directly under the fixed bed of the Caravan. Got an awning light there just above the secure door. There's your Omnistore rollout awning, just fitted, mounted to the roof of the Caravan. Got an external TV point just here, so there's a plug socket in there and an inlet outlet for the aerial. You've got your diamond cut alloy wheels, and there is also an inline awning rail there, and that'll be helpful if you've got a draft skirt for your awning. Kitchen window, and there's a really big fridge in this Caravan, so your vents are quite far apart, so you've got your vents at the top and at the bottom. Okay, your toilet is on this side, so this is the door there for your Dometic toilet cassette, and a blacked out window there, because that is where your bathroom is. So coming round to the back now, you've got your Knaus Cat Eye Evolution lights. They look absolutely stunning when they're switched on. You've got your grab handles, and as you can see down here, they're the heavy duty corner steadies. So round to the near side now. So you've got nice big windows for the bunks there. Got another window here, really large window there for the teardrop seating area in the middle. And then we've got another service door here. Now that's actually where you're going to plug your mains in, and it'll also give you access to the onboard water tank there. Now that'll comfortably fit 45 litres of fresh water. And that brings us back round to the front. Okay, so let's see what the inside of the Caravan has to offer. You've got a nice Knaus branded bag here. You've got an umbrella holder in the door. It is a deadlock secure door system. So as you can see here, you've got those metal catches. Sorry if you couldn't hear that. Then we've got trucks driving past. And also, just a little thing, you've got a couple of hangers as well. And there is a blackout blind fitted to the door. So let's get the door closed behind us. There is a bit of a chill on today. And we'll take a good look round the inside of the Caravan. Now, we'll start off at the front. And as you'll see here, you've got your fixed bed. That's your pole for your wind-out awning, and there is a TV bracket there at the foot of the bed, just to the right-hand side. Some cabinetry up above. You've got some little spotlights. They do have USB attached to them, as you can see there. And that's your headboard there for your bed. There is a pull-out blind just here, so I can pull that. It's all on a magnet. That'll run to the other side. I'll take a couple of steps back so you can see that that blind there closes off the bed area. Pull that back down, nice and easy. So a little shelf here as you walk in on the right hand side with a mirror. And then you've got some cupboard space there down below. As the left as you walk in, those white lines that you can see here, those completely light up. The Caravan looks absolutely stunning when it's all lit. You've got your control panel just here, and then the control panel purely for the heating and hot water here. Like I say, this one's got the Aldi wet central heating option on. So here's your teardrop seating area. Love these Knaus. They're really easy to get under the seats. All the bases are connected, so you've got plenty of storage there under the seats. And then I'll also lift up the front bed as well, so you can see that there's plenty of storage down here. There is a little cushion just there. That's because there's 2 cushions under there, so that table there does drop down, and it makes that up into another double bed. So there's your big window. All the windows are fitted with fly screens and blackout blinds. And then there is also a stereo system which works completely from your Bluetooth on your phone. Some more cabinetry up above, and if you look closely, you can see there is like a geometric finish to the cabinets. Really gives it a nice look and feel. You've got your kitchen space here, so you've got a nice large stainless steel sink. It's really deep. You've got mixer tap there, Knaus branded, and then a Dometic 3 gas burner. Just below that, we've got some drawers, some more cupboards, and also you've got a gas oven and grill. Next to that, like I said, on the outside, you've got a really large fridge. So you can see there, it's a really big fridge, and then some more storage space at the bottom. To the right on that, we've got a, right inside of that, we've got a wardrobe just here. Again, these Knaus Caravans are absolutely loaded with storage options. And now we're coming around to the back of the Caravan. So again, you can close off this bed area, and I will show you how that works. And take a few steps back. So kids are abed, you pull that blind over, so it gives them a little bit of privacy, and it darkens that area as well. So the children will still have direct access to the toilet if they need it, because that is situated at the back. But we'll get a good look at these bunks first. So nice memory foam mattresses, kids sleep well, the adults sleep well. We'll get a good look around as well, and there is a smiley face spotlight on both bunks, and underneath here again you're going to see lots and lots of storage. So there's a wardrobe here right at the end. Get a good look at that. That's the tank there for your Aldi wet central heating system, and there is a little light up as well, so you can see inside there. Another bit of storage space down there, and then there is a top to bottom mirror next to the door for the bathroom, with some hangers fitted as well. So we'll open up the bathroom, and like I say, you've got a separate shower, toilet and sink. So here's the shower unit. Wait for the focus to come back. There we go. And it is a magnetic sort of concertina door, which you'll see there. So there's your toilet. You've got some vents there, so the heating system does come into to the bathroom to keep things in here nice and warm. You've got your sink, some more shelves, some more storage, and then you've got a little vanity unit there with a mirror which does open up, as you'll see here. And then you're going to see me. So there we have it, the 2023 Knaus Sudwind 580 QS. If I've missed anything, if you've got any more questions, then please don't hesitate to give me a call. You can configure your own Knaus Caravan online. There is a little bit of a delivery time scale on them. However, this one is available for dispatch. So give me a call. My name's Christian, 01777 838 193, option 1 through to sales. Drop me a line on an email. It's christian.pearson@granthamcaravans.co.uk. Pop in. We're open 7 days a week. So Monday to Saturdays 9 till 5, and then on Sunday we're open 10 till 4. But thank you very much for watching.